Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome to Unboxmas. Hello everyone. Well, I don't know why that makes me laugh so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Ren, here again with another video. If you are new here, hello, how are you? Settle in. Happy Sunday. Today is what? Oh god, the weekend has gotten away with me. Today is the 12th. So today's the 12th. Happy Sunday. If you are new here, settle in. What we are doing are unboxings, one a day, every day until the 25th, because Vlogmas just wasn't going to happen. This is our version of Vlogmas. If you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Happy Sunday. Settle in. I don't know, whatever you're doing, if you're just getting back from church, if you are, you know, having your morning tea, your morning coffee, maybe you're working out. If you're working out, God bless you, because I need to get on your team. But whatever your jam is, I'm happy to have you. Make sure you sound off in the comments. Say hello so I can say hello back. If you're a fellow YouTuber, make sure that you drop a hello so I can go over and visit your channel as well. And if you're doing Vlogmas, make sure you put like happy Vlogmas, or I'm doing Vlogmas too, so I can come over to your channel and support you. Okay, so unboxing, Sunday unboxing. So this is unboxing number 11, I think. Yeah, so this is unboxing number 11. Even though today is the 12th, we are one count of unboxings down. So we didn't do an unboxing the first day. So all right, so today, you know, a little bit more of a casual day, a hangout day. Sundays are like, you know, self-care days, and I was like thinking, you know, what did I want to unbox? Did I want to unbox something that was more like you know, self-care, skincare? You know, I'm a huge advocate of skincare, organic products, artisanal products, so on. But I was like, nah, why are we gonna do that? That's way too productive. Let's just unbox. Let's get the brown boxes back out here. Boom, boom. So again, if you're not familiar, we're about that brown box life. So if you're not familiar, this is the proper brown box. So I'm like, forget all that self-care business. This is my self-care. Put that away. We'll get to that another time. I do have some bits that I want to show you for like skincare and, you know, things like that, but that's not today. That's not what we're doing today. Today, what we're doing today is a good old-fashioned brown box unboxing. So this was taped to the gods. I already took my liberties with it. Had to do a bit of a little switcheroo there. I had the wrong box. I almost had a faux pas, a little faux pas action happened there, and I had the wrong box, but I got the right box now. So gonna give it an open. The other one was open already, so gonna give it some slices here. I don't know, I might fast forward this because this part is pretty boring, watching me struggle with the wrapping. All right, so this is from our friends at ding, Fashionphile. Woohoo! Love a Fashionphile box. They do such a great job with their packaging, with the confetti, and they always give you a nail file. Now, has anyone actually ever tried to use one of these? They're not the greatest nail file. I don't know. I mean, they look nice and they keep putting one in a package for us, but it's just not the best nail file. But it does have a, I think it's Carrie Bradshaw that said this. By the way, are you not watching the Sex and the City, the episode that just came on this week? I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. So it's a Carrie Bradshaw saying, I believe. So it's nice, but these end up being quite useless. I've tried to use it. I was excited about like the first one that I got, and I was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna use the nail file." Now I don't use it that much anymore. So Fashionphile always gives us all the bits, so they always have good things in here, like, you know, a nice card that says thank you, shop, sell, repeat, because they want you to sell back your items. And in here is the receipt, which I will hold on to possibly show you later, to talk about pricing. Oh dear. this is in here. All right, let me, oh, the mess that I make when I'm unboxing. There are boxes everywhere, strips of stuffing and paper and receipts all over the place. It's a mess. It's quite an episode when I'm filming, and then everyone in my household is kind of like over it because it's an everyday thing now, but I don't care. So here we go. It is what it is. This is what we committed to, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we're doing. So it says use is the new, which is what they all say. Oh my gosh, you know, all I'm thinking about right now is the TikTok that I'm going to do when I see this with Pop Smoke. Ah, Dior. This would be a good thumbnail, but I'm not going to do it. I do it all the time, so it's a little bit worn out, but Dior. Okay, light. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a Dior unboxing. Is this my first Dior piece? No, I do have something Dior already in my collection. I've never shown my entire collection, but I do have something Dior in my collection. However, I have not purchased anything from Dior in ages. So this is, it is a first of something, but not a Dior item, but the first Dior unboxing for Unboxmas. So I just took off the top. Some of you may know, you Dior aficionados may know that when you see like a blue box, you know what this means. But because Dior does come in a variety of box colors. So just undoing the tissue paper. Oh my god, I'm gagging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, they look so good. Okay, wait. Oh my god, wait. Okay, hold up. Oh, let go. Okay, this is just the Fashionphile dust bag. Can you see them? Oh, stop. I've been obsessed with these since, I think, oh god, I saw another YouTuber with them in a low top. I've seen them all over, honestly. I've been obsessed with them, but I was just like, I can't buy another pair of expensive trainers. I just can't. I can't buy another expensive trainers. I just can't. They retail for so high, and I'm just like, between my Gucci, and one day I'll do my Gucci collection of trainers, but it's just ridiculous. Like, I have so many that I'm just like, all right, enough. Oh god, but I wanted these so bad. I'm dropping things. I wanted these so bad. So, and here they are. Oh my gosh. And you know I have enormous feet, right? So for me to get these on Fashionphile in my size, okay. So what are they called? These are the Christian Dior Canvas Oblique in men's, obviously, because I'm a big footer. They were in brand new condition with box and dust bags. So brand new, so no one's worn them. So you can look at the bottoms. I won't do like, I've seen some of those the sneaker heads, I think they call them, and they like lick the bottoms of their trainers. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Not doing that. But oh my gosh, upset. It matches. Oh, it matches my outfit. Okay, yeah, obsessed. This is everything. All right, let's get to it. So what does it come with? All right, so we got the trainers, we got the dust bags. Well, dust bag, only one. There's not two dust bags. There's an extra set of laces in here. I'm not sure why, because they're white as well. Are they thinner? Yes, so they're a bit thinner than the ones that are already laced in the shoe. Interesting. All right, so we're gonna take these bad boys out. Oh my god, they look so stinking perfect. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh god, look at these. Oh, look at them. Dior. Let's take the stuffing out, because I believe yes. Okay, so they are like this weird thing, right? So I've never seen these in person, right? But they are, oh, you're not gonna be able to see it probably with the lights, but it's like sheer. I don't know, can you see that? Maybe not, right? With my hands on it. But all of this is like a mesh, this mesh material. Is it all the way down to the toe? No, it's not that. It's not that. Yeah, no. So there's like this reinforced like plastic here that is okay for like your bottom part of your foot so that it's not exposed, but all up here, your ankle, it's like a mesh, very thin. It's a very thin mesh material there, so that is very, very interesting. So for the winter, I mean don't get me wrong, I don't walk anywhere, so you know, for me, I don't mind. But if you're like wearing these on the streets in the winter time, this is not the move, because these, your feet will be freezing. You're definitely not wearing this in inclement weather. You're not doing that. So this is definitely more of a warm weather shoe in that sense. However, I would be wearing this more so to go with a specific outfit or whatever, and I'm going from, you know, I'm like curbside pickup, you know, I go from the car to the seat of wherever I'm going to, and then from the seat back in the car, and then drive wherever I'm going. Like, I'm not spending too much time walking about, hence, you know, hence the size of my body. So I'm not doing too much activity. So for me, this is fine, but I thought it was like this, and I was like, no, they wouldn't make this trainer. And I'll put the price on the screen and give you the stock image of how much it's going for on the website right now. But I was like, they're not going to make it, you know, that pricey if basically the majority of the shoe is like, you know, basically see-through and sheer. But they did. They sure did. But I am obsessed. So it looks just like a Converse, to be super honest. So if you like a high top Converse, this is going to be your jam. It looks just like a Converse. It's a bit more firm here, like there's no give really. So this is not going to give a super softness. Let's see if inside is soft. No, inside is not that soft either. So I'm not expecting this to be like, you know, this is not uber comfy, you know, cushiony type of thing. But again, like I said, I just really wanted this. I think it's going to look so good in my collection. I'm obsessed with grays, khaki, you know, all of those kind of like earth tones. I'm like obsessed with those, especially right now, and I feel like this is going to look so good. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good. I don't know if I'll see if I can get some mod shots in and put me wearing these. I don't know, it's not been set up for that kind of world. I've been trying to do those, but that's something. So I filmed this first, film the unboxing for you all, so I can have a proper unboxing of the item, and then I have to redo, like reset up everything to usually to do try-ons, and that's where you lose me. That's when it gets like to be a little bit too much, and because I've got to clean up my space, all of the unboxing material, reset the camera, reset the lighting, do that, whatever. So that's when I kind of go, I don't know. So I'll see what I can do. Sometimes what I'll do is wait until the next day when I film. I'll put it on, and then that way you get a look at it, or something like that. But we'll see what I can work out. We'll see what I have time to do, because, you know, again, this is a lot. Every day is a little bit, it takes up a big chunk of the day. So, and I have to find time to do this and to edit and so on. So it takes up a little bit of time, but we'll see. But anyway, back to what we came here for. So right, I'm obsessed. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it. Let's see if Fashionphile has the price, and then I'll get you lot out of here, because I know that you need to get on with your day. Yes, okay. So I got these for $995. That's it. That's what they were. That was pretty simple. It was online for $9.95. So, and I like I said, I'll have the original price up on the screen for what they're currently going for, so you have an idea of what that is. And then I live in New York, where the tax is 8.875%. So whatever is on the little cutaway that I send, just add 8.875%, and that's what it would cost for me to get in store, and I got it for $9.95. So I'm excited. Okay, oh my gosh, that's it. I hope that wasn't too long. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Oh, so you can see when I'm rocking this. Oh, I might have to put these on. I can kind of see it in the camera, and it's kind of going with my whole vibe. Do you see the vibe? It's going with the vibe. I might have to, okay. I might have to put this on, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you can see if I don't put it on this video, if I have it on in the next video or not. And you know, when we're dropping these gems, dropping these drops, these Dior's, these, oh my god, the Gucci, the Chanel, the Louis, I mean, can you just stand it? I know, I'm gone. I'm gonna go have like a brunch or something. Anyway, I will talk to you lot tomorrow. Have a fantastic one wherever you are.